I'm planning a trip and I know how hectic it could be. And I am always afraid that I might lose my knitting project, or I can break a needle, or anything could happen, right, when you're on the road. So I opted for those easy to carry, and look how soft those cables are, knitting needles. They come in a set of multiple sizes and a very nice cable option. It will not, even if it's bunched up in my luggage, it's not gonna be breaking because the tubing is very, very flexible and soft. And even if something happens, I have so many of them, and I think they're perfectly for traveling. I did try with 4-weight yarn to start a little project, and here's a little demonstration. I also used the thin ones with some sock yarn, and I started a hat here.